millions of fresh apples begin an extraordinary journey inside one of the world's most advanced factories. Every bottle begins with carefully grown apples, harvested at peak ripeness. Only premium quality apples continue to the production process. Strict quality inspection ensures consistent flavor in every batch. Freshly harvested apples begin their carefully controlled journey to the factory, where precision manufacturing is about to begin. Fresh apples enter the factory, and precision processing begins. They move seamlessly toward the optical sorting system. Every apple is automatically inspected before processing. High-pressure washing removes impurities before juice production begins. Clean apples flow into the bubble washing system. Bubble washing gently cleans every apple. Rotary brushes complete the final cleaning. A final rinse prepares every apple for processing. Filtered air removes every drop of moisture. Uniform grading keeps production consistent. The production line flows with perfect precision. Every apple is perfectly aligned before cutting begins. The rotating blades begin slicing each apple into uniform sections. Precision slicing creates perfectly uniform apple pieces. Automatic coring prepares the fruit for extraction. Only clean apple pieces continue to processing. Crushing releases more juice from every apple. The prepared apple mash is ready for juice extraction. The screw press begins extracting fresh apple juice. Fresh juice is extracted with maximum efficiency. Primary filtration removes large fruit particles. Clarification improves the juice before fine filtration. Fine filtration delivers exceptionally pure apple juice. Every ingredient is measured with precise accuracy. The juice flows into the primary mixing tank. Controlled mixing creates a perfectly balanced juice. The blended juice enters the high-speed mixer. High-speed mixing ensures complete consistency. Homogenization creates a smooth and stable texture. Vacuum treatment removes trapped air from the juice.
Natural enzymes improve juice clarity and quality.
Clarification produces cleaner, brighter apple juice.
Fine filtration delivers exceptionally pure juice. Pasteurization ensures safety without sacrificing quality. Rapid cooling protects freshness and flavor.
Sterile storage preserves freshness before bottling. The juice is pumped toward the filling line. Every bottle is positioned with perfect precision.
Every bottle receives the exact fill level. Every bottle is securely sealed for freshness. Every bottle passes a final quality inspection. Every bottle receives a perfectly aligned label. Every bottle receives complete production information. Protective sleeves secure every finished bottle.
Robotic systems pack every bottle with precision.
Every carton is securely sealed for transport. Robotic palletizing prepares every shipment efficiently. Protective wrapping secures every pallet for delivery.
Finished products await final shipment worldwide. Shipping orders are prepared for dispatch.
Every shipment is verified before leaving the factory. Production is complete and ready for distribution.
Fresh apple juice begins its journey to customers.
Temperature-controlled transport protects every bottle. Regional distribution keeps products moving efficiently. The final delivery stage is ready to begin. Fresh apple juice is ready to be enjoyed.